We see demand picking up quite a bit. They have a target of 7,000 crores of revenues in FY24. That's after achieving 6,500 crores in FY23. So the stock also has had a fairly decent run in the last many days. Let's talk about the markets now, because it looks like it's going to be quite a volatile start. The SGX Nifty is down 0.5%. Mitessh Thakkar and Sudarshan Sukhani are joining in this morning. Gentlemen, morning to both of you. Sudarshan, let me start with you. It looks like it's going to be a really volatile week given all the news flow that we have globally. Is it prudent to be cautious at a time like this, take a step back, or are you looking to trade today? And if yes, what would the trade look like?
Yeah, good morning. See, I think in volatile markets, it's always prudent to trade less. That's the key. You have to reduce your volumes. On some days, the trading is not justified at all, but today perhaps the markets are giving us, we are in a downtrend, and any rally in the market today should be used to build short positions. Short positions are intraday, but for the Nifty, it's worthwhile looking at a shorting opportunity for the day.
Shorting the Nifty for the day. Okay, 17,100 and Sudarshan's looking to short it. Mitessh, good morning. What's the approach that you would take? I mean, the Asian markets and SGX aren't inspiring too much confidence, but Nifty or even Bank Nifty, if you have a trade?
Good morning. So, we've been suggesting that the market will possibly consolidate between 17,150 and 16,800. This range-bound approach will, or this range-bound movement will be in focus for the next few days. So, in that sense, I think, today's 50-70 point kind of a gap-down opening may not warrant a trade immediately. But in case we do decline further and get closer to 16,850, 800 zones, then I look for a long trade with a 50-point kind of a stop loss. So, it'll be the opening seems to be somewhere in the middle of the range, and therefore in some kind of a no trade zone for the index. But I think otherwise, in case we decline further from there, I think I'll definitely look at exploring a long trade closer to 16,800.
Okay, so you would look at a long trade if we get a dip to that level. So interesting, we have two different strategies at play. So Sudarshan, if I could just come back, I missed the levels. At what levels would you look at shorting the index? And is the Bank Nifty a better short or a Nifty?
No, the Bank Nifty is an avoid. It's gone into a trading range. And a trading range is usually becoming, sort of unpredictable, which way it will break out. So it's the Nifty that we would have to look to short. And I said that you have to sell it on rallies. I can't give a level because the market decides those levels, but anything between 70 to 100 points above the opening price.
Okay, all right. What about individual stocks? Sudarshan, you go first. Give us the stocks you're tracking.
See, India Cement is an intraday short. The stock has been underperforming. It's in a trading range. If it breaks that range, then a significant decline may come in. So sell with a stop above 195. Indian Hotels is a very attractive chart for a positional buy. The stock is making some kind of a bullish pattern, which is not confirmed, but may well be confirmed. I think it's worth buying into with a stop under 306. Sun TV is in a sustained downtrend. That's an intraday short with a stop over 440. And finally, this is more a hope trade. Tata Consumer has been in a downtrend. Is suggesting that perhaps it may start a rally. Whether it will be a relief rally or a genuine rally, I can't say. But it's worth buying into. It's a good quality stock. Buy with a stop under 685.
Okay, and Mitessh, what about you?
I have a mix of buy and sell calls today. On the selling side is Eicher Motors with a stop at 3,000 or just above it, 2,900 being the first target. SBI Cards is a sell. Keep a stop above 731. Look for targets of 704. DLF is something which appears to have given a very strong reversal on the upside, so that's a buy. Keep a stop at 366. Look for targets of approximately 395 to about 397 here. And Tata Consumer is a buy with a stop at 696 for a target of 725.
Okay, all right, gentlemen. Thanks a lot for that. We'll come back to you all for your call later on as well. For the time being, let's hop across